I'm Don, and I'm an FPV noob. So I am new to FPV. I have flown some other, the cheap Chinese drones probably about 8-10 years ago when my boys were smaller. We used to fly a lot of those little cheap things around, and we'd crash them, break them, buy new ones. They were that cheap. And I always liked them, but kind of fell away. Got busy with other stuff. And last little bit, I've been doing a lot of filming. I've got some DJI drones. In fact, we got the Mini 3 we might get out here a little bit. See if we do that. But the FPV kind of caught my eye. And my kids were kind of into it, and you'll probably see a lot more videos with the kids in them too. But for now, I'm just going to record some videos and let you see how terrible I am. Hopefully I can keep coming out with some videos. You guys can give me some pointers, maybe, I hope. And hopefully I improve at some point. We'll see if that actually happens. So if you've been looking at an FPV at all, you've probably seen this kit. This is the Beta FPV kit. Comes in a very nice little box. The drone's pretty cool. Let you check it out here. Thanks to Mr. Momo on YouTube, I had to name it. It is Casper. I guess Ghost was taken. But it's a nice little drone. It's 2S. You plug 2 of the little stick batteries over here into there. Pretty decent. The remote's pretty good. Not terrible. I do have a Radiomaster Pocket at home. I was doing the simulator with, but this came with a kit. Do you guys use these things? Should I just toss these, or I don't know. I put them on here because it's new. These goggles, I wasn't sure what to think of these. They do work. They work pretty well. I can definitely tell you the resolution could be improved, but they're a decent little set to get you started. And I guess I've seen even like on tinywhoop.com, they're like 50 bucks to pick up a pair of these. So, and they work. They'll get you going. I've flown about 2 batteries with this drone so far, and it's been all right. I don't really have much to compare it to, so for my experience, it's been okay, which is pretty much nothing. But all right, let's go flying and see what we do.